Friends, breastfeeding can be a challenging task for so many moms out there. According to the studies, more than 70% of mothers face challenges and some issues while breastfeeding their babies. However, with the introduction of Philips Avent Extractor Manual, moms will get relief from engorgement, which is also claimed to reduce their longer feeding sessions, further stimulating milk production. The device is designed in a simple manner, which makes moms super comfortable and relaxed when they use it. The device has a manual pump which can be held easily. The pump then extracts the milk with the help of natural motion technology. Each pump comes with one feeding bottle. When you hold the bottle and trigger the pump, the milk comes out by using the suction and nipple stimulation process. It ensures a quick milk flow and is designed for an upright pumping with no lean forward design. The device is ideal for all the mothers out there. It is also for the mothers who pump out on the go. The device is portable and very gentle to be used. The Avent comes like a real savior during those tough and breastfeeding sessions. Undoubtedly, technological advancements and human imagination in the field of innovation has made our lifestyle much easier than before. To know more about innovative devices, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching our video.